Over the Thanksgiving holiday, I had the privilege of visiting Granville Island to visit Paper, my favorite stationery store in Vancouver, and pick up the 2021 Traveler's Notebook inserts that the store manager, Kimmy, so graciously held for me. Here is a look at what the store looks like right now. I'm so happy. I know most of us don't need any more excuses to purchase more stationery, but if you are wanting to support your local stationery shops, do it because I know they would really appreciate it. I know Paper was closed for a few months, but I'm glad that they're open again and they are doing all right. So hopefully you can help a small or local business around your area and purchase some stationery.
Not super brand new. It's
Hey everyone, it's Joe. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing well. Today we have a very exciting video. I finally picked up my 2021 Traveler's Company, Traveler's Factory, however you call it, Traveler's Notebook 2021 inserts and a few other goodies that I got roped into buying. Not really. I just have really poor self-control when it comes to stationery. So let's dive into it. I purchased all of my stationery from Paper. It is a local Vancouver-based stationery store located on the very scenic Granville Island. If you live in Vancouver, I highly suggest purchasing from them because you're supporting a local business. I know that the kind folks at Paper would really appreciate that. And yeah, shout out to Kimmy. She's the awesome store manager there, and she actually put these on hold for me because a few years ago I almost didn't have all of my inserts, and she saved the day. So yeah, we have a lot of goodies. I think I'm just gonna pour everything out, and yeah, I'll tell you the prices and put them up on the screen later. Let's start with the smaller items. This is a Faber-Castell Pearl Rose highlighter, and it's a glitter highlighter, and it's amazing. And Kimmy was using it and showed me the moment that I stepped into, well, not the moment that I stepped into the wonderful store, but I'll show you a little swatch here. I'll open it to a random page. It's awesome. So this is like a light rose gold, and it's very shimmery. I'm not sure if the camera can pick it up, but I will put in close-ups right now. But yeah, that's the first thing. And then I actually didn't put this on hold. This is the Traveler's Notebook clear folder. They started doing this last year. I didn't really find any use for it, actually. We'll see how it goes today, if I can like fold it into my setup. But right now it's kind of being unused, but I thought I would pick it up because they had one left, and I don't know, I might as well just pick it up since I like to collect a lot of the like yearly special items. This is the Kita I don't know what these are called. I guess they're like planner and notebook washi tapes. They're already cut into different sizes, and Kimmy actually gave me these ones to try, and it's so cute. I think they're kind of no, they're not transparent, but you can write on them. They're kind of like washi. Whoa, it opens up. These are like washi strips, and I really like this one because it's labels, and then I got these ones because the print and pattern are so cute. So I did not steal this. She gave this to me, even though it says store use. But it's amazing. Thank you, Kimmy, for gifting this to me. But yeah, these are amazing. I can't wait to use them. There's 10 sheets for each design, so 40. So you'll probably, like, I wouldn't say this will last forever, but it'll last me for quite a long time because I don't foresee myself using this every day. But if I did, it would last for a month and a bit. Like if I used one strip each time. Okay, I need to go a little bit faster. Let's see where we're at. Okay, this is the Travelers Company Special Edition. This came out, I don't remember, maybe a few months ago, maybe before the pandemic really ramped up. I bet it was about February or March, and it's all travel themed stuff. And I actually wanted a few things, but unfortunately I didn't purchase anything at like the launch. But yeah, this is just a regular insert. I usually don't buy these special decorative inserts because I end up hoarding them, but I'm telling myself that I'm going to use it because there's no point of just keeping it for a rainy day. I might as well just use them. So there's that. This was $12.95, I think. Yeah, and then this is $7.95, and then the Kita tapes are about $7.95 as well. So we'll move on. Okay, here's like the juicy bit. Okay, so I decided to go for well, let's do this first. I decided to go for the 2021 weekly and memo. So this is the horizontal layout. I was thinking about getting the vertical layout. If you don't know what a vertical planner layout, it kind of looks like this. And this is the B6 Slim Jibun Techo. And as much as I love this, I didn't really use it as much after, I think I used it for a good 2 months, and I don't know, it just was too small for me. I have ginormous writing, so yeah, I was having a hard time with that. But Travelers Company also comes with a vertical weekly insert, and just like the Hobonichi Avec, this comes into 2 books, so it keeps it nice and compact. I'll just open this up for you. This year's theme is travel, I believe. Is it travel? Yeah, it's like voyage, travel, and books, I think, if I'm not mistaken. Let's just look at the actual guide. So yeah, it looks like books and travel. With books and your traveler's notebook, you can travel anywhere at any time. It's nice because it's like, I think they definitely planned and branded this with the pandemic in mind. It's about traveling through books, like using your imagination, or at least that's how I'm interpreting it. This is cute. I will definitely use this in a traveler's notebook spread. It just looks so nice. I love their aesthetic. I love the vintage feel of everything. The weekly memo comes in 2 shades of blue. I think the lighter blue is for the beginning half of the year. Yep. And I haven't used the horizontal layout in quite a long time. I do like it though. It is roomier, and I don't know, I've seen a lot of people do a lot of creative planning and doing their planning mainly over here. I don't know why I lost my train of thought there. Mainly on the left hand side, and then on the right hand side they do collages and art stuff. I don't know how I'm gonna be using this because I think this is mostly gonna be, I want to try bullet journaling in this. I do have my own A5 size bullet journal, but we shall see. Yeah, so this is the weekly horizontal layout, or as they like to call it, the weekly and memo. And this set me back $36.95. So not too bad if you already own a traveler's notebook. It's still kind of pricey, but I mean, other planner systems are quite expensive too. But I wanted to give this a try this year. I took a little break from the weekly layouts because I wasn't really finding much use for them, but I don't know, I feel really inspired with journaling and traveler's notebook stuff, so I thought I would purchase that. And then we have, this is my staple. If there's one thing that I need to purchase each year, it's the diary monthly insert. So it's always in orange. This one is $16.95 a little bit more expensive. I feel like they were 14 before. Or maybe that's just me. And same thing, it's just there's the 2021 and 2022 year at a glance, and then they have this whole year at a glance that I think is, I've never actually used this, but it actually looks pretty good. And then you just have a month layout across the whole spread, which I like. And I was using this for various things, and back then I used to do my bullet journaling at the back, where I would keep my lists that are really important at the back here. But yeah, this is a staple for me. If there's one thing that I highly recommend purchasing, it's this, because it's handy. And if you don't really use the Traveler's Notebook system for planning, it's still a great way to include some sort of gratitude journaling in this, because the little monthly squares is enough room to write a little sentiment about each day if you're looking into doing that, or even just tracking stuff. And yeah, it's nice and thin. And then I wasn't gonna purchase this, but I thought, why not? And I saw Mitz's video and I was like, I love stickers, I might as well just get them. I end up hoarding these though, so let's see if I actually end up using them. So they have the letters, which I like. Oh, the pockets. Oh, that's so cute. It just says lemon. Lemon, 100 views of Mount Fuji, the restaurant of many orders. Oh, this theme is so cute. Okay, these are the most handy thing in this sticker sheet. I actually use these quite a lot. I usually save them and use them in different journals and planners because they're the colors that I like, and they're translucent, so you can still see the date. These are equally handy. I always say I'm going to use these tabs, but I end up hoarding them, but I think I'm going to use them this year because I need to just use my stationery. That's pretty much the theme this year. And then this is the, I guess, decorative gold foil stickers, which are lovely and amazing. Oh, these are so nice. I'm so glad I got this one. Yeah, so we'll move on. And then, oh, did I not get a pencil board? Oh, it's right here. I got so nervous there. Whew. Okay. These are the one thing that I have been wanting to collect ever since I got into Traveler's Notebook. They're the pencil boards. It's so extra because each year they come out with one and it gets more complex looking as the years go by. This one's gold foiled, just like last year's. They're handy if you are journaling on the go and you just need a flat surface. Yeah, highly recommend these. This one, the larger one for the regular size, was $7.95, and then the smaller one was $6.95. And as you can see, oh, this theme is so nice. I like how it's like kind of I don't even know what theme it is. It is travel, so they're showcasing different parts, but the lemon and the moon are very, very nice. I really like those. So yep. And then oh my gosh, I wasn't gonna get this. This is probably the most expensive thing. This is $45.95, and oh my gosh, I definitely didn't need this, especially in this size. This is the MD Notebook Journal A5. This is the 1 day 1 page, and I bought the blank one. They had the dot grid and then they had the blank. Kimmy showed me she just got 5 in for the store, and I wasn't gonna get one because I just got the Hobonichi avec, which is pretty much the same thing. It's a day per page, but oh, there's something about the Midori paper. I know people love the Tomoe River paper. I think it's great, but I don't know what they do with the MD paper. It's so soft and the color is perfect. I don't like stark white paper. Oh, it's so nice. Okay, so it comes with, wait, what is this? Oh, okay, so it comes with like a little sticker pack that has you can use it to label the different months and dates. I think you can use it as tabs like what they're using here. I don't think I'm gonna do that. But oh, it's so pretty. And it has perforated edges. This is a fairly new product, I believe. I'm not quite sure actually. But look at that. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh, I could just stare at this forever. Yeah, this is a day per page. It's undated, so I think that's why I kind of rationalized it, because it's literally just a sketchbook and I can like use it however I like. It's basically just a very expensive sketchbook with very nice paper. Yeah. Part of me regrets buying this, part of me doesn't. This was definitely an impulse purchase. I did not budget for this, so this is not the best move on my part. But my stationery loving self is fanboying like crazy right now because the paper is so nice. And this also gives me an excuse to possibly save up for a new cover for this. So and that's pretty much it. I really enjoyed this. I can't believe I purchased this. Maybe I will speed things up and let voiceover Job continue, but I do want to set up my traveler's notebook just to see what it would look like for 2021. I want to use my black traveler's notebook because it was my original one, and I think it's almost been 5-ish years of my, I guess, stationary journey, so I thought it might be nice to like connect back and use my OG traveler's notebook. So I'll let voiceover Job continue. Whoa, that was quite a haul. Thank you so much for watching all the way through. As you can see, I'm trying to sort out what my traveler's notebook is going to look like for 2021, but I'm still not 100% sure if I like this setup. As you can see, I'm leaning towards using a traveler's notebook passport size as well as a regular size, but I still don't really know what they're going to look like and what inserts are going to be in them, so I will save that for a future video when I feel more confident about my setup. Also, a little announcement, there will be a shop update this coming Thursday with some new junk journal inserts as well as 3 new sticker sheets. So they will be up in the shop soon, so check the description bar for more information. And I hope you enjoyed this video and learned a little bit about what the 2021 lineup for the Traveler's Company Traveler's Notebook system looks like. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and I will see you all next week. Bye everyone.